Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. I have this mother choice induction cooker. It is turning on, its display is blinking, but there is no response from any key. I will apply power using series lamp. If you don't have good practical experience in power electronics, never try to repair. Let's see the fault condition and then we will see what is the fault and how we can troubleshoot it. It is not responding to key. Let's check it. I removed its screws and now we will open it. Here is its front panel, mainboard. Most of the time this fault is due to two conditions. The first condition, if we have problem in power supply, we will receive 18 volts, 9 volt, 5 volts. These 5 volt are especially for this microcontroller and microcontroller here in the front panel. If this power supply is disturbed, that time it will make this condition. The second problem, if there is some problem in the panel, it will blink and it will not respond to the microcontroller of the main board. If you have problem in power supply, most of the time this IGBT driver set, if it is short circuit, these transistors, it will cause to fluctuate power supply. If we have bad regulator, this one, it will fluctuate. If we have short circuit in fan, it will fluctuate. To detect the exact fault location, we will check 5 volt on the connector and then we will continue. Set multimeter to DC voltage. Check voltage on first two pins, the right side pins. 5 volt stable, that means power supply here is okay. We have problem here in the panel. These 5 volt are stable. Then there is a fuse resistor here, 3.9 ohm. Okay, it is working as a series load. Check voltage on this capacitor. So this small fluctuation, it is due to the load of LED and the display. It is normal. That means we have problem in this panel. First make a good inspection for this. Set multimeter to continuity and check these micro switches. This micro switch is bad. Our power key is bad. Yes, this switch is not responding. I will use this switch. If we see this switch, it is not responding. First we will replace just only one switch and then we will check it. I replaced this switch. This is power key, and now we will check it. Never touch any component directly. Now I will press this power button. Yes, that's nice. It is showing now E0 error. Before this it was not responding. Now I am placing cooktop here, and if I will press this button, I selected 1200 watts and it is showing the current. That means the circuit is now working because the main profile is now selected. This key is not working. This key is not working. It is selecting 1200 watts. If I want to increase it, this key is not working and this key is not working. I change this profile, okay, this okay, this key okay, this key okay, this key okay, 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 this button, this button, this one. I will replace 1, 2 and 3. Other buttons are working good. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.